Hello and welcome back everyone to another YouTube video. In today's video I will explain unsolved problem set 0 Einstein. So in this problem we want to implement a program in Python that prompts the user for a mass, and then we should output the equivalent number of joules as an integer. So that's actually the rule that we are going to use. So let's first take the mass from the user. Let's call it M and input. And since we are going to use it as an integer, we will convert the return from the input function to integer. And that's simply how you do it. And let's actually print out a message also. And then we want to output uh, the energy. So let's make a variable called E, and it's going to be equal to M multiplied the speed of light power 2. But let's first uh, make a variable and store the speed of light in this variable. So, and at the end, let's print uh, our variable E. So let's give it a try and run Python, and let's test on actually let's test on 1 kilogram, and that's correct. And let's actually make another example, but the numbers will get much bigger. So let's see if it's 2 kilograms, and that's indeed the correct answer. And let's actually try bigger numbers. Let's try 14. And yeah, this also a correct answer. And by the way, I'm just testing the examples in the problem set, so I know that's these answers are correct. So yeah, at the end, let's use check 50 just to make sure that everything is working just fine. So yeah, let's give it a second. So yeah, that's great. As you can see, we passed every test in check 50. So yeah, our program is ready to be submitted. And yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.